tomatoes, cheese, olives. We have the Greek olives called kalamata and the regular one. And I have celery. I have pepino, cucumber. I got onion. I have tomatoes. I have carrots. That's for my salad. And my husband liked this Greek dressing, Greek vinegar dressing. Of course, I love this one. I love this Brianna's home style classic buttermilk. And my husband is my husband drinking beer. And that one, and I'm cooking a pizza, big slice of pizza, big round of pizza. There's the lettuce. I'm gonna mix them all, and I'll put the cucumber, celery, cucumber. Oh, I gotta hold it anyway. I just tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes if you want. The onion, I slice it thinly, very thin, and the carrots, the olives. I'll put the olives, all of it. Okay, I gotta stir this first. This is my salad. So I gotta mix it first. That's how it looks like. So I already put on a small bowl. So this is like this, looks like this, and then I have to put the cheese on top. There you go. And that's how it goes. My simple salad.